Hello, Dak. We start off every video, it seems like, with you, don't we? Yeah, you're a good boy. How you doing, buddy? Oh, let me get you in the frame there. All right. Anyway, today's video, I'm gonna be working on my solar-powered clothes dryer. Anybody knows what that is? That's a clothesline. I guess technically it's wind-powered too. But anyway, I'm gonna clean up an area around it and restring it and paint it up, make it look fancy. Well, step one of this project is going to be dig up all these stumps, clear out that fence. That's one thing I want to do before I get started. All right, let's pull some stumps. More burning. Yeah, I'm gonna pick some corn and make some deliveries. That one looks good. It's not as big as I want them to be, but looks like the siding job on the house is going to start here next week. They've dropped off some material here, so get that done next week maybe. Well, now I'm going to drive into town with that corn I just picked. I picked about 3 big bags of it, so I'm going to make some deliveries to some relatives. So get that done. I'm sitting there in the air conditioning, so that's nice. All right, the first thing I'm going to do here is get the power washer off. Power wash this pole, all that bird crap off there. I'm going to go down there to the other end, power wash that one off, and then I might power wash the sidewalk a little bit. One thing we do a lot of around here, and that's spraying a lot of Roundup. Kill all these weeds. All right, we're gonna put a couple coats of this aluminum paint on top of that. Get it real good. This stuff's real thin. Goes a long way. Actually, it might be a little too thin. I might have to stir it up some more. Well, I stirred it up. It's pretty good. It's just a thin, heavy-duty aluminum paint. And so I'll just have to work real fast here. So I'll probably put 2 coats on. I'm using this old brush because it's just a junk brush, and this is a pretty rough surface. That looks a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and put another coat on it anyway. So now I'm gonna go down and do that end and put a second coat on it, and I'll call that done. Then we'll string a new line. Okay, here's that old clothesline right here. About 10 years old, it's been hanging around up there. So it's junk, so we'll just get rid of that for now. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'll use all this miscellaneous stuff. I got a turnbuckle here, some clips. Here's the new vinyl clothesline. And we're gonna put that together so I can move it whenever I want to. So I'll be able to take it down in the winter time. All right, there's that clothesline all painted up. I went ahead and put a new clothesline on it. I don't know how well you can see that. Now what I ended up doing here is putting this turnbuckle on, tying it up to that, and that clip. So all I have to do if I want to take this clothesline off, unloosen that turnbuckle, take that off down here. There's another clip on the line back there, and I won't have to leave it out all winter. But the last line lasted about 10 years, so it should be all right. I'm gonna just string up another line over here and call it done. Well, hello, Dak. I haven't seen you today. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Oh. Come on, buddy. Come on. Stand still. All right. Good boy. Good boy. Well, that's it for this video. So I just keep doing these videos, even if no one's watching them. I know a few people are watching them because I got some views, but yeah, it kind of makes these jobs more interesting, you know, to do. You know, it's like, I got a job to do. I don't really want to do it. Well, I'll make a video of it. So that's what I'm kind of end up doing. So anyway, if you like it, hit the like button. Well, until next time, I'll see you later. The Dodge Ram 1500 Tradesman Edition. Official farm truck of Davis Farm and Orchard.